Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are well and I hope you all are fine. I've got lots of questions from you guys about the pump that I'm going to give for free. You guys don't know how to buy it on Pancakeswap, on KuCoin, on Dex tools, and people have been telling me you don't know how to buy. So here's a detailed guide, okay? From step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Only 4 steps you have to do and you're good to go. I'll place the link of this guide in the description of this video. Alright. So today is 20th of Feb and the pump is gonna be on 3 p.m. UTC tomorrow. Alright, 21st of Feb, 3 p.m. UTC, and I'll give the signals 2 minutes before the pump. So make sure to have your bags ready. Alright, here is the detailed guide about how you have to go about it, how you have to buy, and how you have to sell. But here are a few important things. We've got 30 minutes to buy. After I'll give the sell signal, we will have 5 minutes to sell. Good luck to everyone, and again remember, the faster you buy, the bigger percentage you get. Alright? Advice is buy in between $0.8 and 0.8 BNB and 55 BNB. Alright? Thanks for the attention. Hope this will help. If you still have questions, you can write to me on Telegram. Good luck. Alright, so a few questions that a lot of you were asking were regarding USDT and BNB. So yes, you can buy with BNB. Alright, you don't need any USDT. If you have, it's fine. If you don't have, don't need to worry. If you have BNB, you can buy with that. You can give your transaction fees with BNB. You can buy with BNB as well. But make sure to, for example, if you have $100 worth of BNB, then buy it with $95. Leave the rest of the $5 as the transaction fee, so that your transaction would succeed. If you buy it for complete $100, you won't be able to first buy, and if at the time of selling you won't be having enough amount of BNB for the transaction, so your transaction will fail, so you won't be able to sell. Okay, so the more the amount, the better chances are to sell at the very instant. Keep in mind about the slippage, rest everything I have explained in this blog, right, in this blog post. Make sure to have a read at it and understand everything deep down very carefully. So tomorrow is gonna be the pump signal, and those who don't know about the pump signals, uh, these are our previous results. Our coin went from 0.68 cents to $50. Then this was another pump which went from 0.45 to $60,000. Alright, and then we had several other pumps, and this is history. You can come over here and have a look at how we have made these pumps successful. So a lot of you asked me for giving it away for free, so this time I've decided $50 is my VIP private fee. Alright, so make sure that you make that amount in this pump so that you can join my VIP and participate in all the pump signals that I give over there. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Alright, leave in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll try to answer all your questions over there, or if you can want to come over to my Telegram and ask me over there, I'll be more than happy to have you answer. With that being said, I'll see you guys in a new video with a new update. Peace out.